How to insert a table in MS Word. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Are you looking for a way to learn how to insert a table in MS Word mobile app? Then you are in the correct place. First of all, launch open the MS Word app on your mobile phone and open up a document where you want to add the table. After doing so, go ahead and click on the pencil button at the top of the screen. Now you'll end up in this editing screen. Tap on the exact spot in the document where you want the table to appear. After doing so, go to the bottom tool menu and then click on the three dots. Now, in the pop-up, you'll see a home button drop down. Tap on it and select Insert. You will see the Table button in the Insert tab. Tap on Table. A small grid or table option will appear. Select the number of rows and the columns you want for your table and click on Insert Table. Soon after you do that, you will be able to see a table has been created in your document. Now, add your content to the table. Tap inside any cell and then start typing. Move between cells by tapping on another cell and type in again. If it is difficult for you, then you can also zoom in on the document, select the exact area, and you have successfully created a table. You also have other table options. After you select a table, you'll see this menu at the bottom. These options will help you to add a row above or below, to add a column on the left or the right, to delete a row or a column, adjust alignments, merge cells, and so on. These options will appear whenever you select the table, and it is at the bottom. So, now you are ready to neatly organize your information using tables right from your phone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.